Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet. If it's the first time, we welcome, learn something fun today. And I'm gonna show, as I promised, the baby girl face with the easy eyes from Silvia Mancini. And before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe. And today I'm gonna dedicate this video to Francesca. She left me a little comment, so today the video is for you. So as I showed you yesterday, I got all the easy eye tools and I was playing around. Yesterday I made a video that's kind of like just showing in general what to do and then like how they look. And today I'm gonna show you guys how I make a easy, fast, and now easier because of the the easy eyes too, how to make a little baby girl face, baby boy too, just don't put the bow on top of it. And before I start even anything, as you can see, I'm starting modeling and editing after. I'm not being sponsored or anything from this video, so it's just my opinion and how much I liked it and thought that was easy. Made a ball, mark the eyes. We're gonna use the biggest one of the cartoon collection. You see that I mark the eyes. I'm just checking if the cheeks and mouth and everything is a little bit up, because you don't want your face to be super flat. And I'm cutting the excess on the bottom already where the neck will be, but we're just gonna cut it off because I'm not doing the rest, just showing for you guys how to make this little pretty cute face. So with my silicone tool, I'm gonna start pulling the excess of the clay up to start making the nose. If you're scared, if you don't have a tool, you can use your fingers, you can use a toothpick, just go gentle. And remember, then you wanna pull all the excess through the nose up, but you don't wanna make any indentation on the side. So try to put as smooth as you can up. And remember as well, then you don't need a big nose because then it's gonna look weird. Just make a tiny little button nose, that's the one that works just fine. And I'm just, of course, touching everything. That's one thing that you work with clay. If you never did and you're learning and watching, every time then you're holding a clay to do like I'm doing now, I'm putting all the excess inside the eye, because then I'm gonna put the white on top of it. I'm holding the face, so that means that as I hold and I turn around and things like that, it's gonna lose some of the shapes. So you always need to go back to even the things that you did. I will go back to the cheeks, I will go back to all the places to be sure that it's still the way I want. So I'm gonna press down just to make a little cup, a little hole all the way around. I love the silicone tools because they don't stick and they don't have any marks or anything like that. Then it's gonna mark your topper or whatever you're making this. I'm just marking the little a line where the lips are gonna be and pulling out the excess to make a lower lip, just for the sake of showing you guys, because I am going to put a pacifier on top of it, so I don't really need that. I'm just gonna show you, and also because it's easier for me to see if the nose and the eyes and the forehead, they all in the right place. When you have more details, you kind of can center and see better. So even if I'm gonna cover the mouth like I'm doing it, I just made a circle and put on top of it to make the pacifier. I will prefer to do the face, and because if you try again, it gets better. So every time that you learn something new, you learn a trick and it gets better. Now I'm with the white, I'm just gonna cover and fill that little hole I made. I don't know how it called here, it calls insert. I don't know in English, but we're just gonna fulfill the whole thing, and then it's gonna give the impression that it's inside the eye, like the eye socket, and that's why it's a cool thing to do. And I also this week I'm gonna show you guys my new how to make eyes video, because I have one that is pretty cool, really good to use, but I was trying to play around with resin and it was really like a pretty result. So I will go show you guys for you guys this week as well, probably next week. Couple videos coming up. So now I made a little circle and I flatten out. As you can see, to start the pacifier, I will make two little dots right there and a very, very skinny snake to make it a little curve where you hold the pacifier, just to put it there. Remember, then little details really count to the end result. So if you have time, just worry about them, make them cute, because it makes, you know, the end result even cuter. So now with the green, I'm making a circle for the eyes. Don't cover the whole white part, always cover, but leaving the little white. If you're making a baby or making a cartoon, that little color portion of the eye is going to be a little bigger than normal for a normal person. And now I'm just making the eyebrows with clay. I normally paint it, but since I was just trying to show you guys an easy way, a no material way, and an easy way to make face of the baby, you can use this baby, make the rest of the body to make a candle, a cake topper. You can put that on the top of the pencil, like a, you know, to like a little detail. You can make a keychain. You can give as a little hospital favor when they are born. So you can use this for a lot of things. Now I'm making a little smaller circle in black, like I did the green, to start finishing the details of the eyes. You can also don't do that clay if you want to paint. I would recommend acrylic paint, but you can do that. And all this that you're seeing, I'm using the light air dry clay. Yeah, that's it. I left the link. I found it at Amazon as well. I left the link down below for you guys if you want to see it. It's a really soft, really easy to handle, and it's perfect for you to learn because it's not expensive. I made all the dots for the light reflection, and now I'm gonna make a snake in pink and push down. And this is acrylic base that I use to make everything smooth and the same thickness. You probably cannot find that on Amazon as well. I'm gonna cover all around her face. You definitely feel free if you want to put some hair, some things, but since I'm making a little baby face, I wanted to make her like without hair, like to make even babyish more. I don't know. I'm just marking out the ears are gonna be. I didn't place the ear, but you can as well do that. And now I'm gonna do the same thing, a little snake, push down as a flat. We're gonna fold the metal. That's a really easy way to make a bow. Fold the both sides to inside, and voila, it's a really cute, easy bow. And we can even open a little bit more clay and flatten out to make it a little, you know, ribbon that goes inside in the middle. So just to give a little bit more detail and to show you guys as well how to make a super easy bow. I will make this video separate because I know that a lot of people ask for different bows. I would do that too. We're just gonna place on the top of the face, and she is done. It's a really cool and little baby face. The easy eyes really help us to put in the center, put in the right place. And I hope you guys like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share for your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will gonna have another video soon. Bye.